One TV special report.
Bakit? Why do you choose Pedro Verde, no? Aside from having a contemporary design na you can own, na ikaw lang ang meron, like what I tell you, we will really provide you the highest quality finish and fixture dito sa Osamis. We have spent 2 years para i-train din yung mga tao natin, mga pintor natin, mga mason natin, mga panday natin, just to have the best finishes. Ayaw namin bumaba sa standard na pinipresent namin ngayon. One of our core values is really excellence. And if we fail to be excellent, just let us know. Talagang babawi kami. Hindi kami papayag. Okay? What gives you, pag maganda ang quality ng finish ng bahay, maganda ang materials na ginagamit sa bahay, it's very easy for appraisal and to flip the property. Madali siyang i-offer sa iba, madali siyang ipagmayabang sa iba. Location, nakita niyo naman kung gaano maganda. We're just along the highway. Eventually also, when we talk about location, magiging commercial din itong area na to. This is also our property, itong ginagawa namin ng stockyard ngayon. And we also have a couple of stalls na ginagamit muna namin as bodega. We have commercial spaces also in this building na natin ngayon. So eventually, in the future, marami talaga commercial activity na mangyayari dito. Of course, the amenities that we're offering. And yun nga, dahil i-combine mo lahat ito, we are really shooting for a good resale value and investment potential. Yung bumili sa amin ng Peridot 2 years ago, binili lang niya yun at 4 million. Pero dahil nagtaasan yung materials ngayon, nagtaas yung presyo ng lupa, right now we are selling it at 6.7 million. So imagine, if you invest, kung nag-invest kayo noon sa Peridot, 2.7 na yung binita nyo. Okay? Kwentahin natin depreciation. Kung let's say natapos yung unit ngayon, binili mo ng 4 million, benta mo ng 6.5, kumita ka pa rin ng 2.5 million. Okay? So this is where we go now. No? Let's focus on the resale value and investment potential. Okay? So eto siya, no? What we are aiming for is by 2025, kapag natapos na yung bridge and everything, tataas ang investment potential natin from 40 to 50%. So in short, kung nagbigay ka ng piso, magiging 1 peso and 50 centavos siya 2 years from now. Hindi mo kikitain yun sa bangko. Ang 1 million mo, madadagdag siya ng 500,000. Basically, gano'n ang ratio niya. Lagay mo sa bangko yan, yung 1 million mo, baka kitain lang yan in 2 years is around 5,000 pesos. Okay? So, in 2023, if you invest in a Model J na 5.1 million, by 2025, aabot na yan siya na 7.8 million. 7.6 million. Lalo na kung tapos na yung swimming pool, tapos na yung clubhouse, meron na tayong mga commercial activities dito, tapos na yung pang-yield. If you invest in a Model Peridot at 6.5 million now, 2 years from now, aabot na yung presyo niya ng 9.3 million. If you invest in an Alexandrite, now at 9.4, pwede mo ngayon siya umabot yung bentahan niya at 15 million at 2025. Kailan ba 2025? 2 years na lang yun from now. And we are planning to build 10 at least na matapos namin yung mga units. 10 units by 2025. 10 units na magkakatabi. Okay? So 10 units natin, ilan ang nakuha? Tatlo. So why Mediatrix homes, no? Kung hindi naman natin ma-afford si Pedro Verde, we have a very wide range of inventory. Value for money. Okay? Bakit ba, minsan matatanong niya, bakit ba mas mahal yung mga property ngayon? It's because, ganito siya nangyayari sa market, nagpapatong-patong yung presyo. Halimbawa, si ma'am, meron siyang lupa. Hindi naman niya kasi yan ibibenta directly doon sa developer. Usually, meron niyang mga middle persons. Si middle person, papatungan yung presyo ni ma'am. Pagpatong yung presyo sa lupa ni ma'am, pagbili ni developer, halos lampas doble na yung presyo ng property. Ngayon, i-develop ni developer, gastos siya. Pagdating ngayon sa buyer, sobrang mahal na ng property. Sa Mediatrix Homes kasi, we don't do that. Bumibili kami directly doon sa may-ari ng lupa. That's why ang laki ng natitipid namin. We can offer products for a lower price. Lupa pa lang namin, mura na. We have a good quality construction. We have well-trained workforce. We have a well-trained workforce that really provides excellent use of our materials, and also prime location natin. Okay? And syempre, quality yung mga materials na ginagamit natin. Okay. So yung hindi na dito timing, hindi natin na pakita dito yung comparison versus other real estate companies. Yung Model Peridot natin, balik tayo. Dun sa pricing methods. If yung Model Peridot natin is at 6.5 million, tas remember, ang lote niya is 100 square meters ha. Ang floor area niya is 81 square meters. If you buy that same lot size and same floor area sa mga other developers dito sa lugar natin, aabot na yan ng 9 million. You can check it out. You can check it out sa internet. You can check out their website. Aabot ng 9 million. Pero dito sa atin, makakatipid ka ng 2.5 million. So we are really a lot affordable than the others. A lot more affordable than the others. Tapos yung kalidad pa. Sige, Joy, di ba nakatira ka doon? Mako-compare nyo talaga yung kalidad ng materials. Hello, good afternoon. Well, anyway, enough of my talking. I'll let the house now do the talking after this to personally, and thank you also na welcoming you sa project namin. Thank you for your time. Okay. Sige, so Joy, i-proceed na natin sila.
Sa unit.
Sa unit. Okay. Thank you po.
One TV special report.